How to install Windshield Defense. After you've properly prepared the windshield for installation, it's time to apply the film.
With a friend, take off the stickers and roll out the film.
Step 1. On a clean surface, lay the clean film on the hood of the vehicle, adhesive side up, spray and then wipe down the film. Step 2. Spray the windshield. Step 3. With a friend, gently peel back the protective layer, spraying as you go to activate the adhesive.
Continuously spray the adhesive and windshield as you pull back the protective layer.
Spray the windshield. On either side of the hood, each person can grip the film's edge. With a friend, lift the film and place it on the windshield and simply align the film on the windshield. You will have 2 minutes to adjust the film before the adhesive is activated. While one holds the film steady, the other begins to squeegee. Starting from the center, press and pull the squeegee towards the edge. Squeegee out the water on the one side and then move to the other. Go ahead and add solution as needed. Spray the film and continue to push the liquid between the film and glass out. Be sure to use firm, consistent pressure.
Repeat the spray and squeegee process as needed
to ensure all the liquid is removed from between the film and glass. Holding the squeegee, take a lint-free paper towel and wrap the blade. Focusing on the edges, squeeze out any remaining liquid. Firm, consistent pressure. Using a lint-free towel and ammonia-free cleaner, wipe down the film and leave to cure for at least 1 hour. Check the film periodically to make sure there is no lifting at the edges. If so, simply press them down with a towel-wrapped squeegee. Congrats! You've now installed Windshield Defense. Please watch the post-care tips for what to do next.